my self-raising flour. Got this labels from Amazon too. Oops. Oh my god. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, Wagwan, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing, and subscribe. So today, before we get into the vlog, I'd like to show you some finds that I found, some things that I found in Primark. And yes, don't come for me, Nettie, I know you. Yes, I do like to shop, but you know what? I buy things on a budget and things that are on sale. Although some of these items are on sale and some of them are not. But first, let me show you this top. This green top, it's so nice. Let me go back. So, this is good for the summer, and I'm going to a barbecue soon. And I've got the skirt. Look at the details of the skirt. It's got all these things at the bottom. So this is a suit, and you know what, it's still available at Primark at the moment, and this wasn't on sale. I think I might wear it to a barbecue I'm invited to, so that's one. Now this bodycon suit is a tight skirt with a split at the side, as you can see. So this is it, and the top to match, and it's so tight on the body. And this is a suit, but this wasn't on sale either. Now I got this bag to go with it. It's lime green, so you can wear with either outfit. So, and yeah, is there press on it? This was on sale for a $5. Now I've got my bag. Let me open it. Now I've got this lovely beach bag, and this is available right now at Primark. You can go to the beach on holiday with it, and got the hat to match. And look, because I like things on sale. Don't have any baby at the moment, but to give a present, not for my home. Got some dummies, and these were like 50p. So that's it. And I've got another thing to show you. And guess what? I saved the best for last. So I got this gem. This is a nice neutral bag, and this was on sale as well. Here you can see for £5. But I love this bag. This is like a statement piece. It's like crocheted. Look at it. Let me go. Hope you can see. Look at the details. I love this. You can wear just a normal thing, and this will be the statement. I love this. This is going in my collection. But then I've got another thing. This is not from Primark. This is from Shein, and it's a fabric shaver. So I haven't seen it yet. It's USB charge. So yeah, it's like this. Takes out the things in your clothes. You know the revoluters. So, ooh. Oh. So this. So that's my little all that I bought for this month. And guess what? I work hard for it. Anyway, on to the video. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. So now, today is Saturday and I went to work, but now it's in the night. It's like 11 something p.m. It's in the night. I just came in. I came from work. I was so tired. But my friend Cash convinced me to go out to have a drink and listen to some music. And trust me, I really needed it. It was so good. I spent roughly about 2.5 to 3 hours. And now I'm back home with some proper jerk pork with some hard bread. And I had some drink. I feel a little bit sweet. But now I need to go to bed because I've got the night shift tomorrow, Sunday. I know I shouldn't go out, but you know what? You can't be working so hard and not playing. And you work hard and you play hard. You work harder and you play harder. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready for bed and I will check in like tomorrow. I'm ready for night shift. I'm gonna get some proper sleep and then get up and cook dinner and off I go. So I'll see you tomorrow in another day, It is what it is. Good night. So this is my nightcap, jerk pokes, Smirnoff Ice, and my harder bread. Just the my harder bread. I'm gonna eat a little bit, brush my teeth, and then go straight to bed. And don't worry, don't scared of eating late, cause slim is not my problem. So yeah. Guys, wagwan. So the day is finally here. Today is Sunday. I sound excited because I've got to prep myself up. So now I just did my hair with my black edges. So I'm off to work. It's after 7 now. It's a cash. I'm off to work to do my night shift. So you know what? Pray for me. Because maybe tomorrow I'll be like a zombie. But you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. So now, let me go catch my transportation. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll show you. This is the before. And when I come home, I'll show you the after. So peace out. Hi y'all. So, I made it. I survived. The way I feel is the way I look. I'm so tired. I survived. I made it for my night shift. So I did 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. And plus, you know, traveling an hour there and an hour back. And trust me, it's not the job that is difficult. It's because it's night and you have to be up. Yes, the shop was full of people, outside agency staff and the night shift team. But oh my God, the stock taking is easy because the outside agency, they did the first check and you do the second check to see if they were correct. So that was fine. That was easy. But because there was so much people doing everything, and using the internet, it was so slow. And then the drama, because it was so slow, we had to go to the old school way, and that's book and pencil. It was like a friggin' scavenger hunt to find the location and the item. Anyway, we survived. Thanks and big up to one of my managers. He brought a tiramisu, so we were on flipping coffee. We had a laugh, but oh my god, I am so tired. This is, by the way, this is Monday, about after 5. So after shifts finished, came back, did a bit of tidy up of the house, cause you know my boys, and then prepare my husband breakfast and stuff like that. But before that, I had a hot shower, and then after the breakfast and things like that, I went straight to bed. Now I'm up. I did edit my video. Sorry for. Oh my god, to my video yesterday, so it could go out today. So I had to just do the thumbnail and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna find something to eat, have another hot bath, and go back straight to bed. And my friends, they keep checking up on me. My phone was blowing up, and guess what? I didn't answer no one. So I'm gonna get back to you, my friends, and tell you I'm okay, I'm fine. And then, thanks for checking up anyway. And then I'm gonna go back to bed. My life is so flipping busy. This is the life of a busy gal. Anyway, would I do night shift again? Hey, now I said no. But guess what? I'll think about it, because the money I have to make. So, let me just go. I'm so hungry. I'm always hungry, but now I'm raw, like a raw flipping chicken. So let me just go find something to eat, make a few phone calls, and sit and watch my show, Home and Away, and go straight back to bed. So I'll see ya. Hey. I made it. I'm a survivor. Hey. See ya. Wagwan people, friends and family. Today is Tuesday. How you all doing? Well, it's another day. Get up bright and fresh. I just dropped my son to school. He's got like 4 exams left. So, after that, he's in the working world. I can't wait for that. He's got to make his own money for himself. Now I'm in Asda's parking lot. I'm gonna pick up a few shopping. Then my plans for today is like Asda, go to the market, pick up a little bit of things, and then go home, finish, tidy up the house, and then cook dinner. And then I've got to go to class later because I haven't been in a while, because the last week was half term, so school was closed. But you know, the week before I was ill, so I hope it's not a test today, because my mind and my body is not in that space. So let me get out of this place and roll in out of this car and run into Asda and see what I can pick up. Anyway, I'll check in later. If not, you know, you guys would be always checking in. Yeah. Hi, so I just came back from class, and yes, what I said, we had a mock test, but you know what? I didn't do that bad, nor that great. But I wanted to do better, but I can't do anything now. I cooked dinner before I went, so now I'm gonna make my smoothie and after my smoothie I'm gonna bake a little bit of cake. So you know my ingredients. I've got all the leftovers, some from the other day, and now I'm gonna make some fresh ones. Guys, trying to live healthy.
Yeah, I actually wanted to talk to you about him around. What about? You know he'd do anything for you. Because last time I checked, he was charged, along with us, for your drugs. You know what? You have been on my case since the moment I landed in the lab. Because I can see them doing it to him. But maybe you can't. Maybe you really are that lost. No, I don't need this. Theo's taken a bullet for you, okay? And now he's paying the price. What do you want from me? I just want to know, genuinely, do you even care about him? Well, I'm not going to lie, I'm looking forward to shooting something where I'm not covered in fake blood at the end of the day. Dressed up. What are you doing here? I thought I'd find you. This isn't smart. Which one of these? What are you trying to do? Hey, just stop. You want my mistake for work, but you're not on duty. Like I said, I don't need you. I'm sure you stalk exactly where you are. There is no stalker. Usually they're just harmless mate fans. This stalker's potentially dangerous. And the ground is the perfect place for him to hide. Give me 5 minutes, and if you say it's dangerous, I'm gonna lose it. Yeah, to lose it then, Stevie, because this looks pretty dangerous. I'm only here for this event. I'm doing it. What's it like to discover your soulmate is a murderer, serial killer wives reveal all around at night. But next on 5 Stars, Stevie's dancing with danger. As the Aussie drama continues in your first look over the way.
So this is good. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for in the morning. So yeah. So now I'm gonna bake my rum cake. I've got fruits that's in soaking rum and wine. I've got my brown sugar like me. I've got some eggs, and I've got this container of Amazon, and I've got my butter, my self-raising flour. Got this labels from Amazon too. Ooh! Oh my God. Well, I don't know where we were, but as you can see, the flour spill all over the place. So I had to spend time to clean it up. Hey, Lord of mercy. So now I've got to even clean the kitchen extensively when I'm finished. Anyway, I showed you the flour, the self-raising flour. And now this is the all-purpose. I'm not even gonna attempt to lift up any container so that it don't spill again. And what I'm gonna do, I'm not measuring nothing. Yeah, and you need to use browning as well with the egg and the butter. The egg, make sure you have the egg, butter, your raisins that soak, and that's it. And I'm gonna use my unmixer. I had another one, but my son burned it up on the fire. You know what? He was trying to cook, so what can I say? Anyway, yo, I'm gonna start this and I'll show you after. Let me show you what I got in IKEA before I go home. So technically, I got these for storage. This, it was on sale, but I'll find something to do with that. I got 2 bath mats, the carpet for my front room. I don't really need this, but it was on sale, so I got that. And I've got a trolley for my kitchen. So basically, I got more stuff that I wanted. Yep. Hi guys, so today is Friday and it's the same thing. I went to work Thursday, Friday, and it is what it is. Work wasn't busy. I don't know. It seems like all the tourists have gone. Where are they? Twin, where have you been? Nobody loves me like you do. Anyway, every time I try it, skin to skin. Hey, I don't even know the words, but I'm singing. Anyway, if you reach this far in my vlog, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and if you haven't done it yet, just click that button. Click the button and join the family and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.